Hi, today we're going to do some knitting. So this is the stitch and this looks really lovely. You can use it for cardigan or sweater or shawl or head wrap, muffler, anything. So here I have, I believe, 21 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 19 cast on stitches. Okay, so you have to take on the multiples of 3. So I got 18 plus 1, so 19. So first starts from the right side, and right side you're just gonna slip 1. Okay, now after that you're going to do 2 knit, 1 and 2, and the third one you're going to yarn over 3 times, 1 2 3. Okay, and then knit. So that's the third one. So again continue to knit. This is the first row. Okay, so this is the design for 4 rows. 2, and then the third one you take it like this and 3 times, 1 2 3, and knit. Okay, so that's the second. 1 2 2 knit stitch, and then the third one. So the third one, 1 2 3, and out. Again, 1 2. So that's 2 knit. This is the third one, 1 2 3, 3 times yarn over. Now 2 knit stitch. So first row we do 3 knit stitches, so 2 knit stitch and 1 is 3 times yarn over. Okay, and that's the first row, and then you will have 3 left at the end. So we did first one slip over and we had 3 left, so we're going to do 3 of these knit stitches. Knit. Okay, so now, so this was our first row. Now see, first row you can see all like this. Okay, now second row. So if you ever forget, like, so then you have to look like this. When you see all these 3 together, then you know you have done only the first row. Okay, second row you slip over and then you do knit stitch as well. Okay, so you go like this, knit stitch 1 and 2, and this is the third one. So you bring your thread forward and then take the third one all out, make it only 1, and then go this way again, and then do 2 knit stitch again. So this is how this was. So you do 2 knit stitch and then you bring the thread forward, and then you take this and open all, make it 1, and then you take the thread this like this, and then you do 2 more knit stitch, 2 more knit stitch. Again you bring the thread forward, pull it out all 1, and then knit like this, 2 knit stitch. again you bring the thread forward, pull it out all one, take the thread other side, and then do 2 knit stitch. Bring the thread forward, pull this all together, and then take the thread like this, and then 2 knit stitch. Now I have a last one left. Go ahead and do a purl. Okay, so now we're in this third row. Okay, so you see when you went to the second row, first it was different, right? Now second, you see this is different structure, so you'll know this is not your first row, this is your second row. So now this is third row. Third row, you slip over and you bring the thread forward, and then you do 2 purl, 1 and 2 purl. Now you take the thread that side, and then you take this out and bring the thread again in the front, just the opposite of what you did before. So 2 purl. Now you take the thread that side and then bring this out, bring the thread in the front, 2 purl. Now you take this that side and bring the thread again this side, 2 purl. Now you take the thread that side, bring this here without knitting, we're just slipping out, 2 purl, and then you take the thread this side before you bring this, bring it, take the thread, bring the thread on your right, 2 purl, and then we have last one, we do the knit. Okay, so that was your third. Now this is your fourth, the last. Fourth, you take the first one out, and then you do 2 knit and 2 purl. We'll do 2 purl because this is stitch is 2 knit and 2 purl. So here 2 purl, and then we'll take this one just out, and we don't do the thread back or forth, we just keep the thread just the way it is. Now we're going to do 1, 2, bring 2 and bring, and 1, 2, 2 purl, take the thread out, 2 purl, and then just transfer that, 2 purl, and then the last one we'll do a knit. Okay, so now that's the fourth row and it's done.